Sairam students, welcome back to your online class of Active English. Today we are going to do the chapter number 27 of Active English, which is very. What is the name of chapter? Very. Okay, here we are going to know that how a single word changes the whole meaning of the sentence. Like, see, I'm going to show you first example. Here are some pictures which is given in your book. Here, the picture one. Here, the picture one. See, this one is hot, second is very hot, third is cold, fourth is very cold, fifth is not very hot, not very cold. Okay, so on behalf of this, I'm going to show you how this one word very changed the meaning of sentence. See, the first drink is hot. It's just telling us that the drink is hot. How much hot, how much cold, it doesn't tell us anything. But if we want a proper description and that we can able to drink it or not, it will tell in the next picture. See, the second drink is very hot. This picture tells us that this drink is very hot. That means that word very gives a meaning and adds a more proper description to the sentence, that this second drink is very hot. Now the next is the third drink is cold. It is just telling us that this drink is cold. But if we see the next, the fourth drink is very cold. The fourth drink is very cold. It describes that the drink is so much cold, so a person can be careful to drink it. Similarly, with the help of this, we can make the sentences with the second one here short. In the first picture, he is short. In the second picture, he is very short. It describes the word short more appropriately. Then, second, he is tall. He is very tall. Here, the very word describes the meaning of tall in a very appropriate manner. This boy is not very tall, not very short. Similarly, in the next example, this car is small. This car is very small. This car is big. This car is very big. This car is not very small, not very big. Similarly, these numbers are good. These numbers are very good. These numbers are bad. These numbers are very bad. Here, the very defines the versatility of the word. Next is these numbers are not very good, not very bad. Now, see the next. After this, we have to answer some question on behalf of this description. The first is, do you like school? Do you like school? So the answer is yes, I like it very much. Do you like school? Yes, I like it very much. Then, next, do you like sweets? So, do you like sweets? Answer is no. No, I do not like them. No, I do not like them. Then, next is, do you like snakes? Do you like snakes? So the answer is no, I do not like them. No, I do not like them. Then the next, do you like bananas? Do you like bananas? Answer is yes, I like them very much. Yes, I like them very much. Next is, Do you like English? Do you like English? Yes, I like it very much. Yes, I like it very much. See, again, do you like snakes? No, I do not like them. Do you like bananas? Yes, I like them very much. Do you like English? Yes, I like it very much. The next, do you like arithmetic? Yes, I like it very much. Do you like arithmetic? Yes, I like it very much. Next is, do you like radio? Do you like radio? No, I do not like it. No, I do not like it. Okay, now see the next. Do you like your teacher? Yes, I like her very much. If you like your teacher, answer that. Do you like your teacher? Yes, I like her very much. Do you like dogs? Yes, I like them very much. Yes, I like them very much. Next is, do you like cats? No, I do not like cats. No, I do not like them. So, you can write these as I am telling you, or you can do it by your own also. If you want to change any answer, you can. Okay? Now, after this, we are going to do the next activity, which is make five sentences beginning with I like. I'm going to show you how you have to make it. You can make it by your own also. First is I like my dog very much. I like my dog very much. Second is I like English subject very much. I like English subject very much. Third is I like my brother very much. I like my brother very much. Fourth is I like football very much. I like football very much. Fifth is I like to travel very much. I like to travel very much. Now the next. Make five sentences beginning with I do not like. You have to make the five sentences which are begin with the words I do not like. First is I do not like junk foods. I do not like junk foods. Second is I do not like fighting. I do not like fighting. Third is I do not like bad people. I do not like bad people. Fourth is, I do not like loud voices very much. I do not like loud voices very much. I do not like phone very much. I do not like phone very much. Okay, now you have to perform one activity which is given in your book. See, make sentences about the pictures. Here are given some pictures. You have to make the sentences about these pictures. So, first picture is wet. So, you can write, I do not like wet, wet clothes or wet places very much. Second is, it is very hot. So, I do not like hot weather very much. Next is beautiful. I like beautiful pictures very much. I do not like dirty shirts very much. Okay, so here you can write these answers by your own. You have to make these answers by your own by seeing these pictures. Okay, now we can start the next chapter, which is chapter number 28, that is the indirect objects. Here are given some sentences which is indirectly related to the another words or another person or another object, the indirect objects. See, what is the woman giving prey? Here woman is giving something to the prey. So here the answer is she is giving him a sweet. So here the object is prem, which is indirectly related to the woman. So she is giving him a sweet. Second, what is my what is Maya showed to Rohan? She is showing him a flower. Here Mohan is directly is indirectly related to the yash, and also flower is indirectly related to the yash. What is the teacher reading to the children? She is reading them a story. So here the children and reading are indirectly related to the teacher. What is the shopkeeper selling to Mr. Tamang? So here Mr. Tamang is indirectly related to the shopkeeper by the answer, that is he is selling him a newspaper. He is selling him a newspaper. Next is, what is Miss Tamang cooking for the children? She is cooking with them a fish. Here, children are indirectly related to Miss Tamang. So, she is cooking them a fish. That she is doing work for them. What is Mrs. Pradhan buying for the children? She is buying them ice cream. So, here, children are indirectly related to the Mrs. Pradhan. What is Prem lending Mohan? Prem is lending him his ruler. So here Mohan is indirectly related to Prem and the ruler is also indirectly related to the Prem. What is Mrs. Pradhan making for Raj? She is making him a pair of trousers. Here Raj is indirectly related to the Mrs. Pradhan. Next is, what is the time in sending Prem and Maya? She's sending them a parcel. She's sending them a parcel. Last is, what is the postman bringing the children? He is bringing them a parcel. Here children are indirectly related to the postman by the parcel. Now, look at the pictures and you have to answer these questions. Here, the first one is given to you. What did the woman give Prem? She gave him a sweet. You have to write the answers in the past form. So, second is, what did the Maya show Mohan? So, the answer is, she showed him a flower. She showed him a flower. That shows that it is in a past tense. Then, what did the teacher read to the children? She read them a story. She read them a story. Then, what did the shopkeeper sell to Mr. Tamang? These all you have to write by the given images in your chapter's example. So, what did the shopkeeper sell to Mr. Tamang? He sold him a newspaper. He sold him a newspaper. What did Mrs. Tamang cook for the children? She cooked them a fish. Again, we have to write in the past tense, and here the children and fish related to the Mrs. Tamang indirectly. What did Mrs. Pradhan buys for the children? She bought them ice cream. She bought them ice cream. What did Prem lend Mohan? He lent him his ruler. He lent him his ruler. What did Mrs. Pradhan make for Raj? She made him a pair of trousers. She made him a pair of trousers. What did the women send the children? She sent them a parcel. She sent them a parcel. What did the postman bring the children? He bought them a parcel. He bought them a parcel. Okay. So, this is all about the two chapters of the active English. I'm just hoping that you have understand the chapters. Now, study well and do this work in your active English book. Till then, stay home, stay safe.